Now dealing with the hardest part, because people usually say कि जी हम पे कोई ताने कसता है तो हमें कैसे जवाब देना चाहिए, how should we retaliate. This is the most difficult part when people verbally attack you, and it is very hard to truly accept criticism. उसको criticism को digest करना, उसको हजम करना, उसको मान लेना, ये बहुत मुश्किल काम है. हम सबके साथ ऐसी situations होती रही हैं when people insult us, people mock at us for different reasons. Height pay, regarding our social status, our intelligence, our any other weakness. It's very often people are like that, and it is no doubt difficult, very difficult digesting it. But it will be harder, even difficult, if we do not know that we have that in us or not. अगर हमने उस वीकनेस को आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया हुआ है, स्पॉट कर लिया हुआ है, तो हमें उस क्रिटिसिज्म को हजम करना उतना मुश्किल नहीं लगेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. If somebody comes to me in my office and says, KG, you're a very bossy person, you bully and you boss around. And if I actually, suppose I do dominate, I do act as a bossy person, and I do not know that, मुझे कभी realization नहीं हुई इस चीज़ की कि मैंने ऐसे किया है लोगों के साथ. I will be frustrated. I will be mad. I will feel like, irritated. और मैं कहूँगी ये क्या सोच रहा है, मतलब how the hell am I bossy? अगर मुझे लगता है that I am like that, अगर मुझे अपनी इस weakness का पता है, या अपने इस action का पता है that I do that, I will take it in a different way, and I will explain कि जी, my designation is like that. I have to do, such things. I have to boss around, and I'm really sorry for, being a bully or being a boss of that type. But, to make people work, और मुझे उनसे काम लेने के लिए, sometimes I have to. And supposedly you don't know, but you're not that kind of a person who would get frustrated or who would just, go into that crazy mode. You would say, okay, really? Do you think so? Am I like that? I'm really sorry if you think like that. अगर आपको ऐसा feel हो, I'm really sorry. Apologize करती हूँ मैं इस चीज़ के लिए. And I'll check myself. I'll try to mend my ways. The moment you say sorry, the bitter person will become sweet to you. He will become sweeter to you. So the thing is that if we already know that we have a particular weakness, we'll be able to bear that with patience. जो criticism हमें मिलेगा, we'll have to. अब the thing is कि अगर कोई मेरी height के ऊपर बात करे, मेरी रंगत के ऊपर बात करे, these are the things I cannot change. Okay? So इनके ऊपर मुझे उनको confront करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. The thing is, कुछ चीजें जो हम change कर सकते हैं, कुछ weaknesses जो हम change कर सकते हैं, वो debatable है. उनके ऊपर हमें बात करनी चाहिए, उनके ऊपर strategies, अपनी techniques, उनको handle करने की, सब पे बात करनी चाहिए. And sometimes when you have that patience to take that criticism, you might have a good answer for that person as well in that particular situation. And you can turn that weakness into your strength as well. Learning to substitute or replace our weakness and turning our weakness into our strength should be our goal. There are many strong people around us, and their exemplary lives, exemplary stories, remarkable stories. We should gain strength from those stories. As a person, as a daughter, I've seen my parents very strong. Through very difficult times, they've survived because of their strength. I bet आपके अराउंड बहुत से ऐसे लोग होंगे जो आपको बहुत अपने आप से strong लगते होंगे. Gain strength from them. And do remember the examples of, superhumans like Schlitt and Matthias Schlitt and Stutzman. So the people, they are the people who have turned their, incurable abnormalities into their wonderful strengths. इससे बड़ी example, मतलब आपको मैं क्या दूँ? And after knowing such remarkable stories, इतनी motivating stories हैं, I believe that it will be very unfair to waste time on feeling weak, on complexion and height and other hereditary issues. Hope you found the talk beneficial, and if you did, please subscribe, share, and hit the like button. Thank you very much for being with me. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.